Have you always wondered what goes on at a Renaissance fair? Well, today is your lucky day because we have two, so we decided to come to the Renaissance Fair here in Columbus, New Jersey. Stay tuned for some fun adventures. For starters, people really go way out above and beyond for the costumes that they wear to the fair. There are also numerous shows and exhibits throughout the day. We got to witness knights jousting as well as listen to some great folk music. They also offered some really fun snacks. Our admission for the day was $30 a person, and we felt that was a fair price for entry with everything that they offered. Something I also really enjoyed is that I didn't feel pressured to dress up. There were quite a few people that were in really amazing costumes, but there were also a few people just like me that were not dressed up. A Renaissance fair would be perfect for those that are history buffs, fans of cosplay, people that like to visit Disney and Universal, or just those that really enjoy being outside and having a good time. Although we didn't have any kids with us, we did notice that there were a lot of things for kids to do, and we did see a lot of families at this fair. All in all, it was a great day, and it was a lot of fun finally finding out what a Renaissance fair was like. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more.